Welcome back, traders. This is another look at the charts report. Today we'll be seeing EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, and silver. EURUSD 4-hour chart goes first. EURUSD has benefited greatly from the USD's weakness in the past days and is now trading at a new monthly high level. The next target higher in the scenario of a continuous upward momentum could be the R1 122.25 resistance level, which is the highest level reached since the 13th of January. Higher, we have also noted the R2 122.70 level and even higher the R3 123.10 barrier, both last seen on the first days of January. However, if the sellers are to take over, then the S1 121.80 support level could be revisited, even though this level has been particularly strong as a resistance in the past. Lower, we have also noted the S2 121.40 barrier that proved to be rigid in the past days as the price action was nearby it. Last and lowest, we have noted the S3 120.95 hurdle that was tested briefly on the 22nd of February, and the currency pair surged higher. Please note, most of the price action in the past week has been between the S1 121.80 support level and the S3 120.95 hurdle. Now, the fact that the price action has moved gradually higher confirms buying is currently more favorable. Also note the RSI indicator has reached the 70 level again, confirming the buy orders surpass the selling ones. Please note, yesterday, US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell reaffirmed interest rates would remain lower, probably putting more negative pressure on the greenback, which could be driving EURUSD at the moment. Moving to our second chart, this is GBPUSD 4-hour chart. Now, the currency pair is currently trading between our R1 142.10 resistance level and our S1 141 support level. Both levels have been tested but not breached, making them both very important for the future direction of the currency pair's price action, acting as barometers. Our lowest level for cable is the S3 139.50 support barrier that was tested from the 18th to the 19th of February, but not breached to the downside. Higher, we have noted the S2 140.25 hurdle that was breached on the 22nd of February when the price action moved to the S1 141 support level. After a quick jump cable performed on the 24th of February in the Asian session, the price activity moved even higher to the R1 142.10 resistance level, but reversed thereafter. However, the overall trend of the currency pair has been upward since late March 2020, thus we tend to keep this outlook in place for the near future. The levels we have noted even higher are the R2 142.75 and the R3 143.30 lines that could be tested in an extensive buying trend. Please note, GBPUSD has gained in the past 6 consecutive weeks and in the current, pushing the RSI indicator above 70 on a weekly basis. Fundamentally, cable may have received a boost on the possibility that Britain's vaccine rollout will enable a quicker reopening of the UK economy and relief over a Brexit trade deal. Moving now to USDJPY, this is a 4-hour chart. Now, the currency pair remains in an upward momentum since the start of the current year. If this trend is to continue, then the first possible stop could be at the R1 106.30 resistance level. Higher, we have noted the R2 106.55 barrier that was last tested on the 3rd of September and the R3 106.80 hurdle that was last seen on the 28th of August, both making for new 2021 highs if reached. On the contrary, in the past days, the S1 105.90 support level was tested constantly, proving to be solid. Lower, the S2 105.65 barrier is also imminent, and even lower, the S3 105.40 line could also become a target in a continuous selling momentum scenario. The RSI indicator below our chart has been looming just below the 70 level, displaying the bulls have not dominated in the latest sessions, but rather have shed some ground. Finally, traders should keep in mind the Japanese inflation data to be made public on the 26th of February in the Asian session, as they could move the currency pair. Our final chart for today is silver 4-hour chart. Now, Silver has remained in a narrow sideways motion between the R1 2830 resistance level and the S1 2740 support level since the 19th of February. However, since late November, silver has moved gradually upwards, reaching new highs. On the first day of February, the precious metal spiked and had reached the new year high, with its price opening on a positive gap, a happening not taking place very often. Since then, silver has dropped and tested the S3 2605 support level 3 times in February. Even so, the S2 2670 level was also tested in the process, as well as the S1 2740 barrier. Higher, the R1 2830 resistance level was tested twice in the past days, but was not breached. The R2 2885 level can be found even higher in case the bulls are activated, while the R3 2940 can also be eyed by the bulls in the scenario of a strong upward trend. Now that's the end of this report. We hope you enjoyed it as well as found it useful. Thank you very much for your time. If you like this video, make sure to share and subscribe. Please enjoy solid trading.